Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn about one of the most important concepts in programming, that is function. If you want to write clean, efficient and reusable code, this is the lesson for you. So what are functions? In simple term, a function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Function help us to break down the complex program into smaller manageable pieces. Think of them as the building block of your program. Let's start with the function definition. The syntax of function definition is: first type the return type of the function, then type the name of the function, and then in the brackets type the arguments, or you can say parameters of this function. And then in the open and close curly braces there is a body of the function that will be executed when we will call this function. This is the syntax of the function. Return type mean what type of value this function will return. Name of the function is the name, and parameters are the local variables that will be used inside, that can be used inside the body of this function. Let's create a simple function that will display your name on the screen. So type of this function will be void. Void type means that this function will never return anything. Name of this function is display name, as this function will display your name on the screen. So I am naming this display name, and this function has no parameters. This is a very simple function that will display the name on the screen. One thing keep in mind, this function must be defined above the main function. So define this function above the main function, and in this function I am going to display the name. So display Muhammad Asif Khan. This is a very simple function that I defined to display the name. Now when I defined a function, if I run the program, nothing will happen. There is an error. Here is a typing mistake. Type C out and check. If I run the program, nothing displayed, as I defined the function but nothing displayed on the screen. So if I call the function, then the code inside this function will be executed. The process of calling a function is: type the name of the function. The name of the function is display name, and then open and close square brackets. And if the function has arguments, then pass the values for those arguments. This function has no argument. Function must be called in the main function to execute the code inside the function. Now let's run this program, and you can see now it displayed Muhammad Asif Khan. Once you have defined a function, you can call it multiple times. You can see if I call this again, display name, display name. I called this function 3 times. Let's run this program, and you can see that it display the name Muhammad Asif Khan 3 times. So once you defined a function, you can call the function anywhere in the program multiple times. Now let's create another function that will calculate the and display the sum of two numbers. So name the function sum, and give this two parameters, int a, this will be a variable, and there is another variable b. This function will take two values as argument and will return the sum of those values. So see out sum of numbers is a plus b. Now let's call this function in the main function. Type the name of the function sum and then give this the arguments. First the value of a, this 10 will be taken as the value of a, and the second argument, let's 50, this will be taken as the value of b, and this function will return the, this function will display the sum of these numbers. Let's run this program and you can see it displayed the sum of numbers is 60. This is how you can define and call the functions in C++ programming. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.